Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Ito yung ating barya ngayon guys, ang Sacagawea dollar na mayroong taon 2000. Tapusin ang video guys dahil mayroon itong halagang umaabot sa 465,200. The 2000 Sacagawea dollar is a US golden dollar coin introduced that the year and featuring Sacagawea with her baby on her back on the obverse and flying eagle on the reverse. Most 2000 Philadelphia dollars have a low value, around face value, but some rare varieties, such as the Cheerios dollar, are valuable. A non-error coin from 2000 is the Sacagawea dollar quarter mule, which has the obverse of a Washington quarter and the reverse of a Sacagawea dollar. 4 characteristics. Number 1, materials. The coin has a copper core encased in manganese brass, giving it a distinctive golden color. Number 2, obverse head. The portrait of Sacagawea Shoshone woman who guided the Lewis and Clark expedition with her son on her back. The design was by Glenna Godacre. Number 3, reverse steel, an eagle in flight, and designed by Thomas D. Rogers Sr. Number 4, mint mark, a P for Philadelphia, D for Denver, or S for San Francisco, can be found under the year on the coin. Value and variation. Number 1, regular $2,000. Most 2000 Sacagawea dollar, like widely minted 2000 Philadelphia coins, are worth only about $1, are not considered rare. Number 2, Cheerios dollar. A popular collectible variety is the 2000 P Philadelphia Cheerios dollar, which features a tiny subtle detail difference in the reverse eagle design. These rare coins can sell for a significant amount. Number 3, mule error. A highly sought after error is the 2000 Sacagawea dollar quarter mule, where the obverse is that of a Washington quarter. Number 4, proof coins. The 2000 San Francisco proof coins from the San Francisco Mint is a collectible. History. Number 1, introduction. The Sacagawea dollar was introduced in 2000 to replace the Susan B. Anthony dollar, although it didn't immediately gain widespread public circulation. Number 2, marketing. The coin was marketed as a replacement for the Susan B. Anthony dollar and was also intended for honor Native American culture, though it struggled to gain public acceptance. Number 3, name. The coin is also referred to as the golden dollar, or in the later years, the Native American dollar, when the reverse design began to feature various aspects of Native American culture. Huwag basta itapon guys ang mga baryang katulad nito guys, dahil dito sa ating selling online sa eBay guys, mayroon itong halagang $8,000 US. Sa Pilipinas guys ay umabot din ng 465,200 pesos. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys, at God bless sa ating lahat.